There are shapes that whisper to the soul, forms that hold the memory of creation itself. The Tridecagon, with its 13 sides, is one of those sacred symbols. It stands as a mirror of transformation, a rhythm of balance, a doorway to higher truth. And within this form, a stone of celestial calm takes shape. The aqua-blue Aura Quartz, a gem born from the union of earth and sky, of quartz and precious metal, of stillness and reflection. Hold it in your hand and you'll feel it, that quiet hum, that subtle pulse of energy like water meeting wind. It shimmers in shifting shades, blue like breath, gold like sunrise, violet like dreamlight. Every angle becomes a reflection of harmony, every facet, a prayer of light. This crystal is not carved by chance. It is geometry in motion, a translation of divine mathematics into form. 13 sides, the sacred bridge between completion and new beginning. The number of transformation, of spirit learning to speak through matter. When light strikes its polished planes, a prism awakens, a dance of color that flows through air like whispered energy. Each hue carries intention, calm, clarity, and communion with the infinite. It reminds you that every vibration has its own place in the spectrum of being. Blue Aura Quartz begins its journey as clear quartz, a vessel of pure potential. Then, through the alchemy of heat and metal, silver, platinum, sometimes gold, it becomes something new, an echo of heaven, a song of transmutation. This fusion is a mirror for the soul's path, for we too are transformed when we allow the fire of experience to refine our light. Within the Tridecagon, this truth is sealed. Transformation is not an ending, it is the birth of radiance. Place this crystal in your sacred space, the center of a grid, a meditation altar, a quiet corner filled with your breath. Watch as it gathers light, as if collecting fragments of the sky and returning them, healed. It radiates calm, a silence so luminous it feels like music. The Blue Aura Quartz aligns the throat and crown, the channels of voice and vision. It clears the way for words to flow from truth, for thoughts to rise toward wisdom. In its glow, the noise fades, the mind slows, and you begin to hear the stillness within you speaking back. This is a crystal for dreamers, for healers, for those walking the path between worlds. Its energy is cool but alive, like moonlight rippling through water. It doesn't demand attention. It invites presence. Let it rest beneath your palms during meditation. With each inhale, imagine your breath turning blue, a soft, glowing calm that fills your chest. With each exhale, imagine that same blue light flowing outward into your space, wrapping everything in serenity. It is said that geometry is the language of the universe, and light, its tone. In this Tridecagon crystal, the two become one, shape and radiance, matter and consciousness. It reminds you that harmony is not something you chase, it is something you remember. Each edge, each gleam, each shimmer of rainbow tells the same story, that the soul is a prism, and light is its first language. Through this crystal, you speak that language again. The aqua-blue Tridecagon is more than form. It is an altar, a mirror, a teacher. It carries the grace of still waters and the wisdom of sacred pattern. It asks you only to listen and to shine. At Libra crystals, each sacred geometry piece is chosen with intention, a reminder that energy and artistry are never separate, but reflections of the same divine rhythm. Where energy meets art, your crystal journey begins here. Explore the collection. Link in the comment.